Good morning, you guys. Say good morning to the people.
Good morning to
But so, how I told you guys I had to kind of bring back to life, if you will, my blue. Oh my God, really bring back to life my two blue eyeliners. This one's quite a bit brighter than this one. So, I just found my color tattoo in number 45 bold gold. Now, the setup looks kind of scary, but if you're frightened by like needly kind of objects, don't watch this video, click off like right now. um Literally all that's in here, I'll show it to you in a minute, is baby oil. Just regular old baby oil. Now, if you don't like needles, look away. So this is literally just loaded with, let's see if I can take this off. This is literally just loaded with baby oil. Now, you need something that you can poke whatever you're trying to bring back. And for me, it's the Bold Gold 24-hour eyeshadow pot. It's very dry. It, you know, but you need something that you can poke it with. So for me, tweezers. I'm just going to stab a bunch of holes into said item. I'm gonna reach down here, grab a Q-tip. Ooh, now I find it. Honey, here.
Oh,
We were looking for that all day today.
that's only got to lose one more screw to lose that clip.
So I'm gonna take and cut the end off, and you're gonna use this to mix. Just throw out this end because it's useless. So, here comes the sharp object, just so you know. That's what it looks like. Now you'll notice it's not very full, but we stabbed, sorry if you don't like holes, but we stabbed a bunch of random pricks into it, and it really just depends on how like, I don't know, would you call it creamy, maybe? I guess so. I guess you could call it creamy, but I really didn't use that much, which is why what I'm trying to show you. But
I don't know if I'd call it creamy or
take the end that you cut off and mix it. You have to be willing to lose some product with it, and I'm not talking much, but okay, so that literally just soaked all up. But in order for me to get it back to a usable area or consistency, whatever, okay? in order for me to get it usable again, I have to put more oil in it. No, I'm not frightened by sharpened objects. Now, if it's like an ID or something, that's different. But, like knives and stuff, no big. There we go. And by the way, I'm not the original person to come up with this. I cannot remember her name, but I took a chance on trying one of her videos, and it just happened to work. So I was getting annoyed with, I thought I had my brow pomade still, and turns out I didn't. But I found my eyeliners, and I originally tried it with my e.l.f. eyeliner, and found that it worked, I guess. But like I said, you have to be willing to lose some, but not a lot. I'm gonna go back and around. Oh yeah, much easier. How am I gonna show you? That's really rubbed in, so. That's how I did it. Just be sure and remember to put your lid back on. I'm not sure how many times you can use the baby oil trick, but bold gold. And I'm sitting here in front of a bunch of eyeshadow palettes because literally, like, a ton. Anyway, say goodbye to the people.
Hi, everybody.
Bye.